I'm going to show you step by step dark to blonde in one section. If you look close and get attention to see how I do sectioning and how I apply the products, and you can look at this. She actually got her natural color at around level 6, and she got dye before on her hair. So now she want that go dark, go to blonde, but it's more natural balayage. It's not full blonde. And I use this technique that the balayage is blend so well. It adds the contrast, the definition, and I only use her natural color, and I don't use another color to put on. Only I use color to toner at the end. So you can see the application that I apply the products. Make sure you apply enough products, okay? And you can see I do the sectioning. The contrast of the hair, it important is the placement. When you actually do with this kind of color, application is important, sectioning is important, replacement, the foil is very important, and the toner and the timing is all the step is very important. If you really want to learn this skill and get the best result for client, and you don't really want to do in 4-5 section for client, if you want to do this in one section, give the client that dream color in as quick as you can. So I have the online course. If you like to learn about this step by step, you check in description below so you can join the online course, and this help you to know the step by step and how to do this, and including the formula and the sectioning I explain very clear and easy to understand. Okay, so you can go through. I do with the toner. The toner, I use 2 types of toner. One toner on the root is always have the brushy on the root, so I do the different toner in the root, and at the end I use different toner as well. At this point, the blend, when you use the right toner on the root, it gives you beautiful blend. And also at the end, you just, because I bleach it light at level 9 already, that's why I use very quick toner, and I do only like 3 minutes after I apply the toner, and here's the result. It is beautiful, clean, blonde, and she loves how natural. You can see the placement. It looks really nice, natural looking, and this is exactly what she wants. We go with the hair transformation. So how do you feel your hair before?
Yeah, it was a little bit too dark, and then I wanted to go a little bit more natural, a little bit closer to like my natural hair color with a little bit of lighter bits through it, and yeah, this is what we got. I think this is perfect. Yeah, so I feel like with all the different colors through it, the dimension, it matches my skin and it looks a lot softer than what it did before, and yeah, it just looks really natural and nice.
They really want to get the dark or to blonde in one. What is your advice?
Just come and do it, have a consultation, and you feel much better. I feel so much better. I feel like it just looks way more natural, less harsh, and she did a really great job with the colour.
Thank you.
I'm very